This video explains how to complete Pillars of My Future Career assignment. For this assignment, we're going to use your textbook, so it's important that you're able to access that, specifically exercise 14.4 on pages 424 to 426. So once you access your textbook, go to page 424 and get ready to take some notes. Again, if you want to do that electronically, open up a Word document because you're going to answer these questions starting on page 24 under exercise 14.4. Notice there are a lot of questions in 3 categories. So you can answer these on paper or on a Word document. You're not going to turn these in. You're simply going to use these answers to complete the questions on the assignment here. So one more time, you're going to answer the questions on a piece of paper. Just jot down some answers. They don't have to be formal. They don't have to be complete sentences. They're just notes that you're going to use in order to answer the following 3 questions based on your personal interests, your personal talents, and personal values. This is a journal assignment, so click on the link. Copy the questions. Paste them into the text box, and you can begin answering them here. When you're done, post your entry.